Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 3-star property. In this property, one type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. To see more than 100 of reviews of this property, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 9.5. Check-in time of this property is 3 p.m. Checkout time of this property is 12 p.m. If you have stayed in this property, you can share your experiences via comments. For booking or get more details about this property, please check the link in description box. If you have any problem with your renting this property, then you can call us and we can help you. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video about our upcoming property. Thank you for watching the entire video. Dear friends, we will continue with the new property.